All right, today's math is lesson 11.2, found on page 655. Today we're talking about height, taller and shorter. So when we look at these two, the blue one is taller than the orange one. The orange one is shorter than the blue one. On the first page, of course you're going to write your name because you guys know that. We're going to look at the two chairs. When we look at the chairs, this chair is taller than this chair. This chair is shorter. This chair is shorter than this one. We're going to circle the taller chair. And we're going to X out the shorter chair, just like they did in your math book. Circle the taller chair, X'd the shorter square. Next page. On this page it says, place cubes on the taller cube tower. Trace the colored tower. Make a tower that is taller than the cube tower shown. So if we look at this, we first start off with our 3 cubes. See how that matches? And we need to make one that is taller. And they made one that was taller by 4. So the orange one is taller than the blue one. You can see the orange one is one taller than the blue. Now they want you to look at the 5 tower orange, and they want you to make a tower taller than 5. So if you could make one taller than 5, you would be showing a tower taller than 5. On page 657, if this page was talking about things that are taller, this one's going to be talking about things that are shorter. So right now they have an 8 cube tower, but they want you to make one that is shorter than 8. And if you notice, we have this line here, and they have a line at the bottom. We always start at that bottom to make our towers showing the height. So this orange one is definitely shorter than the yellow one. The orange one is shorter than the yellow one. The next tower they have made is a 7 cubed tower. And if we make our tower smaller than 7, think of the numbers could we use. Could we use a 10? Would 10 be smaller? Shorter? No. Would a 4 tower be shorter than the 7? Definitely shorter, right? Draw a shorter tower than the 7 of the green. Okay, we've talked about taller, we've talked about shorter. Now we're going to turn our page. On number 5, the purple butterfly, it says to look at the trees, and you're going to look at the trees and decide which ones are about the same. So when we have our trees, the first tree is this tall. The second tree is this tall. And the third tree is this tall. When we look, the first and the third are about the same height. So you would circle in your book the first and the third tree because they are about the same height. Now, you're going to draw anything you want to. It says you can use your cube towers if you want. You're going to draw 2 things that are about the same height. So when we look at it, these 2 orange cube towers are about the same height. The green one is taller. So we're going to find 2 that are about the same height and draw them on number 6. Hope you have a great day with your mat today. We will get more lessons up and going for you. Thank you for doing the work with us. Love you. Bye-bye.